Okay, so the last instructional practice for personalized learning that we're going to look at is just-in-time direct instruction. So we have three components for this piece. The first one is collecting actionable performance data. And what we see is we see about a third, it's separated in about a third each. So when it's talking about collecting that performance data from students, about a third collect it daily, a third once a week, and a third 2 to 3 times a month. If we scroll down to the second component, which is using that data to flexibly group strategically as well, it matches very much the data from the first component. So about a third use that data to flexibly group, strategically group daily, about a third once a week, and about a third 2 to 3 times a month. So we can make the assumption that teachers that look at their data or use formative assessments daily also use that data to daily either group their students according to what they need or possibly at least monitor their groups daily. Same with once a week, same with 2 to 3 times a month. The last component has 3 parts. So if you look at the middle part, it's saying that at least 50% of the teachers that took this survey say that in their classroom at any given time, multiple students are working on different standards based on what they need, and they find that out from that data that we talked about previously. So almost half of teachers, almost half of the teachers provide differentiated content activities to individual students, and they get that from using that formative data to provide those opportunities. The last part at the bottom is saying that about half the teachers once a week use their formative assessment data to figure out how they need to remediate or extend opportunities for students in the classroom.